Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 5/6 to a decimal. To convert the fraction 5/6 to a decimal, we simply divide 5 by 6. This division results in the decimal 0.833333, where the digit 3 repeats indefinitely. Let's break down the long division process to see how this happens. We start by writing 5 as the dividend and 6 as the divisor. Since 6 does not fit into 5, we add a decimal point and append 0 to 5, making it 50. 6 goes into 58 times. We place 8 in the quotient, multiply 8 by 6 to get 48, and subtract this from 50, leaving a remainder of 2. Next, we bring down a 0 to make 20. 6 goes into 23 times. We write 3 in the quotient to get 0.83, multiply 3 by 6 to get 18, and subtract this from 20 to get a remainder of 2. We add another 0 to make 20 again. As before, 6 fits into 23 times. We add another 3 to the quotient, making it 0.833. Multiplying 3 by 6 gives us 18 again, and after subtracting 18 from 20, we are left with a remainder of 2. This process repeats indefinitely, as each time we subtract 18 from 20, we are left with a remainder of 2, and when we bring down another 0, the cycle continues with 6 going into 23 times. Therefore, the fraction 5/6 converted to a decimal is 0.833333, with the digit 3 repeating indefinitely, which can be denoted as 0.8 with a bar over the 3. This conversion demonstrates how fractions can be expressed as repeating decimals, showcasing the recurring nature of certain divisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.